Hi! I just received this mask for Styler. It is amazing. I used it today. I shampooed my hair, I towel dried it, put just like a little bit of scoop of this product. You don't need too much. Put it all through my hair, left it in for about 7 minutes, rinsed, and as you can see, my hair is shiny and smooth and full of body. I do color my hair, so I have it highlighted and single process. I do it about every 2.5 months. So the mask is really, really important because usually if I don't use this mask, my hair, it's very dry at the ends, just super frizzy, and it's just has a lot of flyaways. So I'm really enjoying this. I love the consistency of it. I'll show it to you. It's pretty thick. Um, it smells so good. So you don't need very much at all. You just need just a little bit. And like I said, after you shampoo your hair, you towel dry it, just put it all through. A lot of times I like to comb it or just, use my fingers to kind of put it all the way to the ends. Leave it in 5 to 7 minutes. I like to do it a little bit longer. And it just comes out just beautifully. And after I blow dry my hair, a lot of times when I would not use the mask, it would just be very, very frizzy. But as you can see, I mean, this is just blow drying my hair after using the mask. And as you can see, it's just shiny, smooth, full of body, and I'm loving it. So I really recommend using this mask for Styler, and I think you will like it too.